Alright guys, we're going to spotted September 28th today. We're going to a big ravine that's always filled with big bucks, so it's going to be a good day. It's pretty chilly today with that hurricane coming in through in Florida. So this is going to be the coldest day this week. It's the coldest day for a while, and we're not on any big deer right now. At least I'm not. So we're kind of just more winging it. We're just sitting all over our good spots, and hopefully something big comes through. The deer are probably going to start moving pretty soon, start pre-rutting. I'd say it's going to be a pretty good hunt. Pretty cool, good spot. There's always big bucks, so. Done. We're getting the Jags 3 out. Hopefully we kill a big one tonight. Or a doe. We might take a doe.
If you see a doe, you're probably going to shoot it.
Yeah. We got to get on the board for the season.
Yeah. We just talked to this guy right here, and he's headed the opposite direction of us. Cleared things up with him, so should be good to go.
Thank God we're not crossbow hunters.
What happened there, Riley?
My pants came loose. Alright guys, got set up in the tree now. We spooked a little buck coming in. I think it was a little buck. It was bedded right on the knob, went to his back, and just watched us as we were coming in. I think that's about all we scared. I mean, I might have scared a doe. I heard something blow, but we got in here pretty quietly. We're in a really good spot. A lot of trails that meet right here. Always a lot of big bucks in here from year to year. There hasn't been as much action here yet, but still, it's about to start picking up, so it's because it's a cold day and it'll be a good hunt today. Saw a deer like 70 yards away, kind of walking towards us, so we couldn't tell what it was, if it was a buck or a doe, but it's heading our way, so we're getting ready here. Live on that thing. Oh, you can't even do that. It's going slow, no action, squirrels, but that's how it goes. We're on big bucks, so we're in deep on a piece of public in a really good spot. It's really thick. I know nobody goes back in here, but we're not seeing a lot of does, which, I mean, that isn't necessarily a bad thing. I definitely think there's big bucks in here. It's just, we got about an hour before closing time, 45 minutes. We'll see, we're gonna see what happens. Not here.
Oh, yeah.
They're in the woods somewhere.
Anywhere but here.
Yeah. That's what it seems like. That damn squirrel's busted us. That's what happened.
It's like a freaking acorns are dropping everywhere.
Listen here, Di. Russell, you better get your ass in the woods.
Who are you talking to?
Di Russell.
Has he not been on you?
No, he's been
Has it?
he's been sleeping on the couch.
Didn't he go elk hunting though?
No.
He didn't. Yes, he did.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did.
Di did not go elk hunting.
Yes, he did.
Did he actually?
I think so. Ask him.
Di, did you go elk hunting? Di, did you go elk hunting?
What time is it, Riley?
6:41.
Have we seen anything?
Squirrels. That's how it goes. Welcome to Missouri.
Riley's gonna go up north with me, northern Missouri, sometime soon to hunt.
Yeah, where the real big bugs are.
Yeah. Hopefully.
But not laying on the golf course. Out in the sun. Nobody will let you hunt.
Yeah.
Alright guys, it's about closing time. It's getting pretty dark. We haven't seen anything, but it's still pretty early in the year. Pre-rut's getting ready to start kicking off, and that's my favorite time to hunt. We were hoping it was going to be a little early. We'd get to see some pre-rut action going on, but it didn't happen tonight.